contested by People's National Party. Although they are participating informally with some candidates out there, with some members of their party nominating independently. One withdrew a couple of days ago. His name still sits on the ballot today, obviously. But what I'm seeing is consistent with what I expected. The slow and steady voters heading to the station.
In terms of even the other candidate pulling out, what are your thoughts on that?
I have no thoughts on it. I have no thoughts on it, on that all.
Currently, you're technically still the councillor for your division. How soon do you think there will be a replacement, or who do you think will be a replacement?
Well, you know, the Chancery Hall division is a very, very organized and admired division across Jamaica. So, in short order, I will, with the party, of course, not entirely my decision, we'll find suitable representation for the people of the Chancery Hall division.
What does Duane Smith bring to this constituency?
What do I bring to the constituency? Well, enthusiasm, youth. I know the constituency. I've grown up in the constituency, been here all my life. I know all the problems, know most of the people. And we have challenges in office sometimes. Challenges with roads. We have some roads in the constituency that have not been fixed from before I was born. And I'm not as young as I look. So that's my number one priority, the roads. Also, what is happening in Northwest sometimes, the constituency is changing, like the city. What do I mean by that? When you drive around the constituency, when you start to see a lot of multi-family developments, which is causing tension between some of the original and established residents and the new residents. So I want to bring some clarity to that transition. I don't want anybody to feel slighted, I don't want anybody to feel like they're being taken advantage of, but the fact is the city is changing and I want everybody to feel that they're being treated fairly. But that is a vexing issue, the multi-family developments right across East Kirkland, Avondale, Chancery Hall. So with my experience going from the parish council, where those applications are made and approved for these developers, I think I'm in a good position to explain to the residents the do's and the don'ts and what is legitimate and what isn't, and bring everybody to the table. Everybody feel they're not being unfairly treated with the multi-family development. But the city is changing.
Mr. Smith, you've been